Oh, bakit? Ano? Uy!
Kung wala ka nang
Okay, good morning. So, what time is it? 11:05 o 11:06 na. And Tuesday, January 1, January 7. Yan pala. Tuesday, January 7, 2021. So, this is the first vlog of the year. So, ano bang gagawin natin? Ngayon, check natin yung buong Baseco. Siguro ikutin natin tong Baseco at yung dulo ng seawall. So, yun. Tara, God bless. Pasok na po tayo sa seawall. Okay. Kung saan susunduin natin ang ating kasamang si Brother Brian. Okay. So, ito po yung munting daanan na dapat or kailangan talaga na tayo ay magbigayan kasi kasya lang dito is dalawang motor kabilaan.
Ay, naku naman, tatawid pa ay.
So yun, ito yung maliit na talipapa dito sa lugar ng Basec.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. fucking fight back. Oh, will you fucking fight back?
Yun, tara. Labas na tayo ng Baseco. Bali, ang gagawin natin. Bakit? Ano? Ay! Aray! Ano nangyari? Bakit? Sir, bakit? Naka-red light po tayo.
Bakit hindi naubos yung preno, kuya? Ano, sakit mo, pumasok, sakit. Sakit. Sakit mo pumasok. Ay, sorry.
Ito ayos eh.
Ay, tabi natin.
Dapat to, minor, dapat nagmi-minor tayo lagi. Pag may stoplight, dapat ano tayo? Dapat to pag may stoplight, hinay-hinay na.
Hindi talaga kumapit, kuya. Naubos yung preno, naubos. Naubos yung preno.
Paano ho yan? Paano yung poste?
Asa natin? Naubos yung preno eh.
Paano ho kaya yan? Nabasag ho yung ano namin. Basag ho.
Ayos, brake number po. Ano yan? Kaya wala naman nangyari na. Ganyan talaga yung tura.
Hindi ho, naka ano ho yan eh. Nakaganon yan eh.
Pero hindi naman nung naapektuhan yung gear niya kahit.
Oo, hindi ho maapektuhan pero naka ano ho. Paano ho kaya to?
Pwede naman ikaw, kuya.
Ha?
Pwede naman kung idikit yan ulit dito. Temporary plate lang naman yan.
So kami po ba yung ano?
Hindi, kaya nga po, magkano po ba yan kung ano? Yun lang naman yun eh. Sa hindi ko talaga sinasadya, kuya.
Sige ho, naniniwala naman ho kami. Sige ho, okay na yan.
Hindi, kayo po.
Hindi na. Okay na po. Okay lang. Ako na lang po magdidikit niyan. Basta ano na lang po, ingat na lang po kayo sunod. Sige po.
Talagang naubusan, doon pa nga lang, ubus na eh. Sabi ko, patay ka.
Siguro po paunan nyo na yung brake na ipa-repair
Hindi,
ba?
minsan naman meron, minsan nauubusan talaga.
Yung brake fluid nyo po,
May
i-check
brake
nyo.
fluid naman, kalalagay ko nga lang eh. Kaya nga nagtaka rin ako eh. Kasi kabibiyahe ko lang ng Taguig. Nagdala kami ng Nazareno. Kaya
Sige po.
kasi sinundo ko lang to. Nagulat ako, naubos eh. Dating ng kalaw, naubusan.
Sige po, ipa-check nyo na lang po agad.
O,
Kapag
papatid
tas
ko nga.
hinay-hinay na lang ho kayo, tas bandang gilid na lang ho
Bakit
kayo.
na nga namin, sabi ko,
Oo.
patay ako.
Kasi dito kami, kasi para hindi kami prone dito ng mga walang preno, yung mga gilid. Dapat gilid po talaga kayo lagi. Sige po, mag-ingat na lang po kayo sunod. Sige po, God bless po. Ingat po. Sige po, ingat po kayo. Kita yun. Kita niyo ba yun, guys? Nasa pool tayo. Kahit nasa gitna na tayo.